want to put a statement up from Twitter from the president's attorney, one of his attorneys, Lin Wood. He said this out yesterday. He said, "Last night I filed an emergency motion for injunctive relief against Georgia Secretary of State. Relief sought includes an order prohibiting certification, which includes defective absentee ballots and requiring that a hand count recount be performed." And there you can see his lawsuit or his injunctive relief petition. What's your read? Has the judge responded yet at this point?
Not to my knowledge. I was told that the Secretary of State was going to certify these results because the deadline for all the counties was last night at midnight. It would blow my mind if, given what's happening all across the state of Georgia in these counties, that he would actually move forward with something like that. But anything's possible, I suppose. And even if you had a recount here in Georgia, they need to do some serious work on the organizational structure of what that looks like. Because as you could see from the footage from the Floyd County, they were missing boxes with like 10 batches, and they were having a hard time finding votes.
The Georgia poll watcher who said that they spotted a nearly 10,000 tally error in Biden's favor, and it was later corrected. Now, the implementation manager for the voting system, Gabriel Sterling, he described the incident as, quote, a non-event, non-issue kind of thing. So, and they said that this mistake would have been caught regardless of whether this poll watcher intervened or not. And it was more than 9,000 votes that would have swung for Biden that were ended up taken back because of this error. What's your sense on how common this might be?
So I know over the last weekend, I was at Fulton County where they had 125 two-member tables counting about 528,000 ballots. And there were allowed to be one monitor from each party for every 10 tables. Now, this kind of makes it hard to oversee what's actually going on because of the ratio. And I know that several of the GOP monitors I spoke with had submit complaints to election officials.